I think if you've ever questioned in your own life whether enough was enough, well, you'll know when you know, right? Because there was a point in my life last year, the turn of the year, 2025 into 2026, where I'd been running anabolic steroids for 3, 4 months. I'd went up to 92 kilos. I was training more than ever. I was working more than ever. I was sleeping less than ever. You know, life was getting a little bit hectic, right? And I looked at myself in the mirror one day and realized this is not what I want. This is not who I want to be. And I decided just to click my fingers one day and just change everything, because what I truly value in life is peace, it's freedom, it's health, it's energy. And nothing I was doing back then was giving me any of that. So I decided, you know what, I'm going to change everything. I went through the last 5 months on a little bit of a self actualization experiment to realize that I don't actually want more. I want less done better. I want more accuracy. I want more peace. I want more confidence. I want more je ne sais quoi within my day. And that's when I started redefining the whole outlook in which I had on life and just started focusing on the simple basics done at a very, very high level. I got very, very lean. I improved my health, my body composition. My business as a byproduct from almost working less but with higher quality people, it 10x'd. Things have just gotten better. My relationships, my sleep, every aspect has improved just by realizing that the chase for more was only leading to more gluttony, more lust, more greed. And it wasn't actually serving me in the life that I deeply wanted. And you might find that in your own life right now. So sometimes climbing this weird ladder that you've built for yourself might not actually allow you to peer over the fence to recognize that the grass is actually not greener.